we made it to Soy 11. It's Songkran. The guys out here is crazy, bro. Look at this. Everybody just getting people wet and everything. What's up with y'all boys? You know I brought it out. I was everywhere. Yes, sir. I love it. See, my thing is, I'm only violating when they start violating. You know, that's why I got my stuff with me. How you doing, my G? You all right? She just cleansed them. She cleansed me. Stop cleansing me. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with her? Like she won't get cleansed. But the thing about Songkran is not just water fighting. It's about cleansing for the new year. It's a Buddhist thing. I'm gonna look into it more, and I'm gonna give y'all more information. But I can't go nowhere without getting wet, and I'm trying not to get wet. I ain't gonna do y'all like that. I'm only violating those who violating me. I wouldn't even do you like that. But yeah, I'm only violating those who violate. So. Man, you want me to turn up on you right now? Fuck the man! The man's high.
Where are you from?
I'm from Atlanta, Georgia area.
Okay, we're from you.
Yeah, I figured that, and I don't care about the men or the ladies.
You don't need a lot of people. You don't need a lot of Americans.
Yeah, I know, bro. So it's nice to see y'all. Nice to meet y'all. I gotta do it. Happy Songkran. This is a duplex in Hyde, Soy 11. Hyde, Soy 11 is what it looked like. Bro, it's crazy. It's a 3-bedroom too. My boy's gone, y'all. We on top of the motherfucking world. All right, man, we back out. I kind of want to do some squirting. I ain't gonna do you like that. Oh my God. I'm not going over there. They tweaking. Y'all. I'm trying to go in somewhere. You can't go in if you too wet. But everybody trying to get you wet. They're trying to get you wet. Sorry.
No. I'm sorry.
What is wrong with you? Happy Songkran. Happy Songkran. Niggas is crazy. I'ma skeet on you. Happy Songkran. Happy Songkran, my boy. I'm sorry, Brody. I'm skeeting on everybody. Happy Songkran. I ain't gonna violate you. What up, my boy? Hey, I ain't gonna violate you unless you violate me. I'll violate you right now, though. Hey, yeah, I'm a YouTuber, bro. You know about you? I'm Young Demar. What's your name?
I'm Paul.
Paul. What you be doing out here?
I play football.
Oh, football. What up, my boy? What's your name? Is?
I play football.
Yeah, football player, soccer.
Yeah, man.
What's wrong with him? That's crazy. Hey, have a good one. Oh, I'm sorry. Would I be wrong, y'all? Would I be wrong? Happy Songkran. It ain't wrong out here, which is crazy. I don't even know where my homies is no more. Ooh. Oh shit. Bro, I'm about twisting my ankle and about died. Oh, really? ACL fucked up now. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, shit. Be careful out there, bro. I got you, my G. Have fun. Ski. My fault. I ain't violating you unless you violate me. I'm good, my brother. What about you? I'm from Georgia, United States.
Atlanta, dog.
Nigga, I'm from like 45 minutes outside of Atlanta. You ever heard of Rome, Georgia?
Come on, man.
Bro, I'm from Rome, Georgia.
Yeah, man. Come on, man. You
What
way
you
up
doing
there,
out here?
65.
What you doing out here? Yeah, what you doing out here, my brother? Same shit you doing. Just out here enjoying yourself?
Yeah, look, you bugging, man. Yeah, same shit you doing.
I YouTube, actually. What's your name?
Yeah, I'm Jay, man.
Jay, I'm DeMarcus.
DeMarcus, same shit you doing? Not like
feel
that's
that.
a vlog, but
Yeah.
I'm having a good time.
You with anybody tonight?
Yeah, I mean, I got boys
Okay.
out here. We all on different paths.
Yeah, I feel that.
Don't
Same.
do that.
My homie's right down the street. but I got something I need to do. You feel me? I gotta
Yeah.
go meet my homies
It's
down
not
there
my
too.
first time here, man. So one of the homies, this is the first time here. So it's all shit new to him.
Yeah, I feel that.
So I'm already.
Same with a couple of my homies up there.
Yeah, so we doing different shit.
Different things so they can enjoy themselves, you can enjoy yours. Right. All right, where you about to go tonight?
I'm about to go sugar real quick. You know,
Damn, I might as well come see you later.
You understand why?
Yeah,
You know
I
why.
definitely understand.
You know
Have a good night, my brother.
Bro,
I'll see you soon.
Let's see how I got you drink.
Same. I'll do the same. All right, bro. It's crazy. All right, man. Let's see where the homies at. Ski. Am I wrong? I'm sorry. Am I wrong? I'm sorry. Am I wrong? Is it wrong? It seems so wrong, but it's so right. Oh my God. Ski. I'm sorry. I'm skiing on them, bro. I'm sorry. You feel me? I gotta get it in. This shit is insane. One thing I like to say about Songkran is if you did this in America, it wouldn't work because it's so many attitudes and so many like different religions and just really so many different type of people that if you just go around skeeting everybody, you can't go around skeeting everybody because it'll be a lot of danger. Look at this. I just skeet this man in his face for like 5 seconds. And I'm able to just walk away like I didn't just assault him. That's crazy, watch this. I just skeet this man in his face while he was eating dinner. Right, boss. And it was okay. Watch this. That ain't right, I gotta give him some. There you go. I don't feel right.
Why?
Can you hold it, John? I'm sorry. I gotta give him something.
Oh.
I just kicked this little man in his face, little woman, for no reason. I know it's Songkran. 500. Y'all share that, okay? No change, baby girl. I mean, homie. I ain't trying to get no change. I just post. Y'all share that. I'm sorry. Happy Songkran.
Yes, we gotta dry up though.
Oh, they won't let us in.
No, I talked to Scott. He said you should be straight. You should be straight. They don't let us in.
They done denied me entry to the club, and it's simply because I was too wet. So this is the same night, guys. I done went home. I had to change clothes. I put on some swimming trunks. I'm about to go meet the guys. We about to make it happen. Yo, my shorts little. I didn't have too many options. I sold all my clothes before I moved to Thailand. Man, we back out here with the gang. So we're on Soy 11, going to this bar called Sugar. Y'all should know about it if you be out here, no doubt. Sawadee-ka. We've had a crazy night. My voice gone. I can't even say crazy the correct way. This is the end of Songkran day 2. I can say my homeboys, they were wildin'. I just needed to go home because they were wildin'. So, to the crib we go, man. Shout out y'all. Songkran day 2. Songkran day 3 tomorrow. My voice is gone. You feel me? Gotta get that right. All right, bye-bye.